Fact 1. Owls possess exceptional night vision, allowing them to spot their prey even in pitch darkness. Fact 2. Owls are known for their silent flight, a result of their specially designed wing feathers. Fact 3. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees, a feature that aids in their hunting. Combined, these features make owls nature's perfect predators, ruling the night with precision and stealth. Intriguing, isn't it? Stay tuned for more mind-blowing facts about the natural world around us.